Kain loads. Tapos na ang ating report for this month. Sa next week, provision na naman, report na naman sa 15.
Pinamitas. Kuya.
Sabaw po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Sam, ano nga lalagyan nga? Sabaw. Sarap. Give it to me. Ate! Hindi na daw! Ate, kanin.
God bless.
Let's eat. Mas gusto ko siga kaysa gravy. Anong tawag dito? Iced something. Ang chills. Uncle John's din. Feeling ko mag-uumad na ako today. Ang dami kong kinakain. Tuwang thigh part to. Sarap. Alam nyo ba, nung nabuntis ako, ang pinaglihian, yung gustong-gusto ko talaga siyang kainin, is the chicken ng Uncle John's. Bago luto, agree ba kayo that this is underrated pero masarap na fried chicken, no? Agree. Tapos nung college ako, ang ginagawa ko pag kumain ako ng rice palagi. Yummy. Ma'am. Ay, ma'am. Ako na, ma'am. Thank you. Nasa food hall kasi kami ngayon. Ako pala. Wala akong kasama. Sarap kamayin. Alang. Sarap. Kung hindi ka ganito kumain ng manok, huwag na lang. Thank you, Lord. Bye. Busog-busog. Bye.
Okay, mathematics naman, mathematics.
Mathematics.
What is the square root of the age of your mother minus the age of your father and your cousin minus the age of your nephew equals?
32.
Ay! Galing! Gagaling! Gagaling, Stella!
Hindi, may isang sagot pa yung tamang sagot. Anong tamang sagot?
Wala na, yun na.
Hindi, meron pa, may point pa.
Si Abi naman.
Hindi niya kinaya.
May abyan, ano yung point? May point yun.
Oo, may point. Yung
32
months.
32.9?
Ay! Ay! Galing! Gagaling!
Panalo siya. 1-1 score, 1-1
Galing,
score.
magaling si Stella.
1-1 score.
30.9
May
is the best.
competition.
Is wrong.
Ay!
Because is 32.949 is equivalent is dong.
Ay! Tama! Ayun nga. Hindi naisip din nga. Tama si Nay Abby. Tama.
Is equivalent of is minus 10.
Ay,
Is the question is the
Square root of your whole
So, po
mother.
nung teacher ko sa math, si Mambasa.
definitely
Oh.
is that.
Definitely.
She's
anong
not-
method yun? Anong method?
Ikaw na.
Method.
Foil method.
Ay,
Method.
foil method. Foil method ba yun?
Mentos.
Mentos. Gago Mentos. Mentos pala yun.
Okay, next. Ano, history naman, history.
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 Asa na yung sagay ko?
Kailan,
Tagay niya, hero.
ang gumawa ng isa sa mga tamahinang bandila natin ay nagwala na. Ay, alam niyo na agad.
Alam niya agad.
Sino?
Sino ni?
Si Rosario B. Estrella.
Ay,
Po.
wala!
Ano gagawa alam niya?
Alam niya yung buong full
Ayun ang
name.
totoo. Hindi yung...
Pero hindi pa yun yung tanong.
Ilang taon? Ilang taon?
Hindi pa yun yung tanong.
Diba?
Okay.
Tinapos o si...
Sino nga ulit yung gumawa nung bandila ng Pilipinas?
Estrella ko po.
Alam niya.
Oo, alam niya.
Okay. Kailan pinanganak ang nanay ni Estrella?
Oh.
2019.
Hala! Gagawa alam niya.
Alam niya. Alam niya, 3 years. 4 years.
Kabisa.
Bobo ka pamangking ka niya.
Ay,
Bobo siya.
Ay, bobo siya. So, 2-1.
Talo.
2 points para kay Abiel. 1 point para kay Steve.
Game.
Hero,
Ano?
sino na?
okay, palat naman tayo sa PE naman, PE.
Physical education.
Physical education.
Asa yellow.
Ano ang ibig sabihin ng arms forward, Grace?
Ay, ayan na. Agad nag-forward na siya.
Soldier.
Ay!
Go,
Alam
alam
niya.
niya. Alam niya.
Ano, hindi sila yung
Ano
abi ba?
yun yung mga mga
Physical education is the most physical education is the most
iba yung
education.
tinatanong, Abi. Ikaw
This is-
i-explain mo lahat. Ang tanong lang, ano ibig sa head, shoulder, and knees?
Ang galing may bagong tanong.
Ang galing niya. Hindi
Physical
magaling siya. Alam niya agad.
Oo,
Is the
tama.
most.
Magaling siya.
Is the most. It is the physical of the arms. It's the physical of your
Toes.
toes.
Ay, oo nga.
It's the physical of your ears.
Shoulder.
Ay, ear is
It's the
yung ears.
physical of head.
Ay,
You know
head.
what?
Yeah, I know. Head is the
Because-
puncturi is that
Punctural. Baliw.
baliw.
Okay, next subject is English.
Ay,
What is verb?
Verb.
Verb is like a flying verb.
Ay, God. Tama. Verb is like the word of the
Word of wisdom.
anything.
Okay, next subject.
Like you want
Butterfly.
you want to do
Cockroach.
you want to do something, you want to do anything, you want to do something, and I don't want to do.
Yes, next
Ay,
subject.
Okay.
Religion.
Hindi, alam nila lahat ng mga subject.
Ay, hindi yan. Hindi yan.
Next,
Hindi yan.
next
Mali yan.
natin, next natin is
Next stop sa tong food trip natin diri sa Twin Pastel. Ako ni na-vlog sa una sa Camagayan sa una. Isa sa mga nag-viral videos na ko sa una 2 years ago karon nabalik ko. Ala kanin to tani, na siya klase-klase ng mga pastel flavors. Na siya scallops pastel, crab pastel, tuna pastel, beef pastel, chicken pastel. Walay pork, pork free, halal, 'di ba? Ana kanindot pa ni diri buy one take one pa for only 55 pesos. Na kay duha ka rice o duha ka toppings. Sulit kayo sa mga nag-diet sama nato. So, mao ni akong ganahan orderon kani ang ilang crab pastel. Tara, let's go. Nakanindot free unlimited pa jud ang palapa. Unlimited ba? Yes. Wow, grabe. Nakansi naman sila ani oy. So far mo ni pinakabarato na pastel e duha na ka rice. Na nato pastel sa tubangan. Wapog forma, na siya duha ka rice. Grabe ka choy. Suway na to be. Ayunit. Ano ka mga kaunong crab pastel? Only here. Palapa. Namay ita palapa ba eh? Nanindot, ganahan ko kay juicy, oily, na ang parat factor. Solid. Gigutom ang cameraman para niya ha. Solid ni. Wapa ko nabusog. Or napatay kwarta. Proceed to the next stop.
Trying alcohol for the first time as a 19-year-old. Wala na, drunk na ako guys. Wala na, drunk text na yung mga tinachat ko guys. Drunk call na. I'm calling in 12 midnight. Nakuha ko to as a gift. Thank you so much, Storyscope. I do not encourage anyone to drink. This is my first time. I don't know what I'm doing. And hindi dahil nakafollow ka sa akin doesn't mean na susundin mo yung gagawin ko, okay? Wala na, tipsy na ako guys. Drunk na ako. Amoy panglinis ng CR. Ano ba sakto lang? Lu! Marami ba yan? Comment down below na para bang live to. Lu! Ang damihan mo eh. Nagbigay din sila ng juice. Sabi nila, ano yung mga sinasabi ng mga drunkers or mga mahilig mag-tipsy, mag-drunk text. Ano daw tawag dito? Chaser ba yan? Let's pour that in. Cute. Pwede itong bang keychain ah. Amoy maalat na spicy. Lagay ko na din yung kilikili ko. Parang gumagawa ko ng gayuma, men. Si papainom ko sa crush ko. Lo, tama na ba yan? Kita ba? Ah, damihan natin. Tapos straw. Ay, bakit ka mag-straw? Mag-mix mo ito. Wala na, tipsy na ako. Just one bottle, okay? But for the sake of this video, masarap siya. Masarap siya. I just don't want to drink it. Amoy uncle yung dito ko. Amoy uncle na tats. Bye, tats. I'm gonna try to sip at least 2 ml. Hello? I thought you loved me, bro. That's it. 2 ml. That was like 2 drops, but it doesn't matter. Okay, that was a great experience. I will not do that again. Thank you!
Going to McDonald's for breakfast. Riding in a tricycle. We are here for breakfast. It is still available. Oh yeah, it is. What are you getting? You're gonna get for sure the hotcakes, hash brown. Wait, did you say you're getting the cheesy egg basal? Oh, the cheesy egg basal. That is the cheesy egg basal. It's giving pandesal, but there's eggs inside. We have 2-piece hotcakes. They're not ordering them. Food is ready. Yum. Thank you. This is the cheesy egg basal. There's no sauce though. Cheese inside. Oh, there's cheese inside. Okay. That's chicken. Oh, yum. Oh, that is good. I'm having a Coke for breakfast. Just got my yogurt for my fries. Now it's time for hotcakes. I feel like I need to separate this. I don't even put maple syrup either. Why? What do you put on there? Just butter? Just nothing. She likes to raw dog it. It's so weird. I put a little bit, but I don't really like to eat it. I like to drench mine in the... Shanti's allergic to flavour. I like to know. Hash brown pie. Oh, she could be crispier. Yum though. Well, I got fries actually because I'm not getting all.
Said chicken.
You must be. Hello? No, I went to bed. The aftermath. Okay, we are headed back home, back into the Trice at the bottom here. Oh my god. We're literally touching the floor. Oh, cute.
Kini mga idol, lami ni mga idol, bakagan sa baboy mga idol. May hindi siya unod gini siya mga idol. Wala din si tambok.
Para mga idol, kain tayo. Meron tayo ditong ginisang tahong, pritong galonggong, pas may buro, kanin. Tara, kain tayo. Dito guys, oh, sabaw. Wow. Galonggong guys, oh. Malaki. Sausaw mo sa buro. Unang subok. Ilagyan ko ng dahon ng sili. Sarap. Dapat ng buro ko, mamantika. Panalo. Maliliit lang mga ano, itong tahong guys. Maliliit. Sarap ng sabaw. Sarap. Yan, solve.